Do you have a bankruptcy 341 hearing coming up? If you do, I know that you're very nervous about it. My name is Adrienne Hines, and I'm a bankruptcy lawyer from Northwest Ohio, and I take away shame and embarrassment from the discussion of debt and bankruptcy. So when we're getting ready for a 341 bankruptcy hearing for Chapter 7, I want my clients to be calm, well-rested, and I don't want them to worry about anything. Because as the lawyer, I've already gone through everything important with them. The bankruptcy hearing is not going to last very long in my jurisdiction, 5 to 7 minutes total. There are 3 hearings scheduled every half hour. Other jurisdictions do them differently. Here in New York, you log on and you can be on there for like 3 hours. There could be 100 people and you just wait till your name is called. But the point here is that they're very short and sweet. And they're short and sweet because the bankruptcy trustee has 3 jobs. Number 1, your bankruptcy trustee has to confirm that you are who you say you are. So they look at your driver's license that we've uploaded to a portal that they can see, but then it goes away, right? They check your driver's license and look at you and look at the license, and they're like, yep, that's you. The second thing they've already done is they've already gone through your bankruptcy petition. You know, that 55, 60-page thing that you signed with your bankruptcy lawyer. They've gone through it. They know how much you say you make. They know the cars that you say you have. They know the real estate that you say you own. They went through it to see if there were any obvious signs of fraud, making sure that you've listed everything. Trustees have access to software that they can do a title search around the United States to see if you have a car titled in your name in California, even though you're living in Ohio and you didn't tell them about that car. That's what they're doing. Once you get into the hearing, they've already reviewed your petition. They've already run the things that they want to run. And in the hearing, they're just asking you questions to confirm that what they see in the petition is truthful and accurate, right? If they ran checks on you and you don't have any real estate anywhere else and you don't have any cars anywhere else and it looks like you've listed everything, third job that they have is it is their job to take away from you any asset you own that is above and beyond your state's exemptions. It's their job to do it in an organized manner, to take that car of yours, sell it, and then disperse the proceeds in a pro rata way to your creditors. So your trustee is there to make sure you are who you say you are, to make sure that you're not a fraud, and to make sure that you don't have any assets that they can take and liquidate from you. So if you know who you are, and you're not a liar or a fraud, and you had a decent lawyer, all of these things will have already been taken care of, and your hearing should go very smoothly. If I know my client has something that's beyond the state's exemptions, I've already talked to the trustee. My client's already aware of what's happening. Nothing surprising is going to happen here. Now, with a Chapter 13 341 hearing, it is a little bit different, more in depth, because you're going to be friends with this trustee for the next 3 to 5 years. And they need to know a lot more about you. Your bankruptcy lawyer can walk you through what's deeper in a Chapter 13 hearing than in a Chapter 7 hearing so that you can be prepared for it. But if you're in a Chapter 13, make sure you understand your plan, your budget. Make sure you get all your questions answered before you go into that hearing with your lawyer. Those are the most important things for a bankruptcy hearing, whether it's Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. You guys are going to be fine if you've been honest, really. If you're honest and you're advocating for yourself with your own lawyer, you have nothing to worry about. Nothing.